This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Got some nice video here of the seagulls up close. And I don't know if you can see in the background on the field is Stanley. Stanley's on the field today. There he is. And the seagulls flying around. There you can see the little areas of the feeding station. There's quite a lot of grain left in that one area. And there's Stanley in the foreground. There he is. I won't disturb him. So here's a close-up of our little seagulls perched on the ramp of the Say Park shopping center. You can really get them close up. They are beautiful birds. They are quite beautiful. They love to sit in a row. The crows like to do that too. When they have a place to perch, and the seagulls prefer this ramp. They're very vocal, very, very vocal. Wonderful birds. I will be out here in about another hour, hour and a half, right before it gets dark. There's a few more here. That's a little lone seagull. Aren't you beautiful? Aren't you beautiful? Yeah, you're very beautiful. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're a very beautiful bird. You very beautiful bird? Yes, you are. There he goes. You go back to your little group? Yeah, lovely. Lovely birds. Lovely birds. Lovely birds. Okay. There's one. He's very vocal. I'll just let you listen to him for a moment. I think in the background you can hear the sparrows. There they are. Look at them. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful birds. And we got here one lone crow. Well, we had a fairly nice day today, although it's clouding out. But a lot of Sundays in the last month have been raining and miserable weather, so it's kind of nice to get out and get a close-up of the area with the birds. They closed the ramp here. I don't know what they're doing, what they're intending to do. But obviously the birds here have made quite a little mess on the ramp. But nothing that the next rain, heavy rain, won't take out. Okay? Okay, this is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Over and out. And as you can see, the crows are up on the top ledge of the shopping center. And the seagulls are at the bottom. It's a fantastic picture. This is DC Danton, Crow Crusader, over and out.